Breakover can be a bit confusing to say the least, so I wish to speak with you and share my thoughts. We as farriers can play a huge role as to where breakover is, simply by way we trim the foot. The untrimmed foot migrates forward, as you can see where the heel and the toe on this foot has gone way forward, bringing the foot out of mechanical function. Proper trimming helps bring the foot into mechanical function when we dress not only the toe but the heels back to where they need to be. We base this information off of the center of rotation, which correlates with the widest part of the foot. We want to have equal proportions from the line in front and behind the center of rotation. If we look at this foot, not the x-ray, the red line correlates as the widest part of the foot. We want to have equal proportions, our heels dressed back and to where our toe is dressed back to. Equal proportions both in front and behind the center of rotation or the widest part of the foot. Now sometimes we alter breakover. We can either hammer or grind breakover in a shoe. This one, as an example, is called a rolled toe. You can see where breakover starts here. We've moved that breakover back from the perimeter of the shoe. We can forge a rocker toe in the shoe, and again you see where breakover begins farther back. This is a more radical shoe modification. Certainly we also have to consider shoe placement, as this too influences where breakover occurs. You can see that we have the toe of the shoe rolled, but we also have it set back behind the perimeter of the toe, again changing where breakover is going to start to occur. So when does breakover actually occur? It starts when the heels lift off the ground and ends when the toe lifts off of the ground. So here we have demonstrated different ways in which we can manipulate breakover and when it occurs. Understand that regardless of where we put breakover, we do not change the speed in which breakover actually occurs.